Hello student, myself Divya Parmar. Welcome you all to the online session of Microprocessor and Assembly Language Programming, in which we will learn about interrupts in Microprocessor 8085. In this video, you will get to know about different interrupts in 8085. First, interrupt are the signals generated by the external devices to request the microprocessor to perform a specific task. There are 5 interrupt signals that are trap, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and INTR. Interrupts are classified into following groups based on their parameters. First, vector interrupt. In this type of interrupt, the interrupt address is known to the processor. For example, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 and trap. Next, non-vector interrupt. In this type of interrupt, the interrupt address is not known to the processor. So, the interrupt address needs to be sent externally by the device to perform interrupts. For example, INTR. Next, maskable interrupt. In this type of interrupt, we can disable the interrupt by writing some instruction into the program. For example, RST 7.5, RST 6.5 and RST 5.5 are the maskable interrupts. Next is non-maskable interrupt. In this type of interrupt, we cannot disable the interrupt by writing some instruction into the program. For example, trap. Next, software interrupt. In this type of interrupt, the programmer has to add the instruction into the program to execute the interrupt. There are 8 software interrupts in 8085. These are RST 0, RST 1, RST 2, RST 3, RST 4, RST 5, RST 6 and RST 7. Next, hardware interrupts. There are 5 interrupt pins in 8085 used as a hardware interrupt. These are trap, RST 6.5, 7.5 and 5.5. Next, interrupt service routine. A small program or a routine that, when executed, service the corresponding interrupting source is called ISR. Next, trap. It is a non-maskable interrupt having the highest priority among all the interrupts. By default, it is enabled until it gets acknowledged. In case of the failure, it executes the ISR and sends the data to the backup memory. This interrupt transfers the controls to the location 0024 hex. Next, RST 7.5. It is a maskable interrupt having the second highest priority among all the interrupts. When this interrupt is executed, the processor saves the content of the program counter register into the stack and branches to the 003C hex address. Next, RST 6.5. It is also maskable interrupt having the third highest priority among all the interrupts. When this interrupt is executed, the processor saves the content of the program counter register into the stack and branches to the 0034 hex address. RST 5.5. It is a maskable interrupt. When the interrupt is executed, the processor saves the content of the program counter register into the stack and branches to the 002C hex address. Next, INTR. It is a maskable interrupt having the lowest priority among all the interrupts. It can be disabled by resetting the microprocessor. When INTR signal goes high, the following events can occur. First, the microprocessor checks the status of the INTR signal during the execution of each instruction. When the INTR signal is high, then the microprocessor completes its current instruction and sends active low interrupt acknowledged signals. When instructions are received, then the microprocessor saves the address of the next instruction on the stack and executes the receive instruction. This is all about the interrupts in 8085. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel LJPEC. See you in the next session of the subject Microprocessor and Assembly Language Programming with new topic. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.